Pooja and welcome to my channel. So today is the second episode in the DIY Masterclass series, and in today's episode we will be creating something which is simple, elegant, hardly takes any materials or time, and comes in very handy if you have plants in your house. Now, some information on plants. Incorporating them into your house not just adds to the decor, but they also help in purifying the air in your house. I'm not gonna take in any more time. I'm gonna take you straight into the video so you can see how useful this plant hanger is gonna be for you. So let's go. Take the 4 strands of rope and fold them in half and form a loop at the top like this, and then add 1 strand of wire between 2 adjacent strands of rope. Follow this for the remaining wires as well. Cut another strand of rope which is about 50 centimeters long, and with it form an inverted loop with one end and take the other end and wrap it around the main structure of the hanger. Once done, pull the end of the rope from under the loop and bring it to the front, and then holding both the ends of this strand, we're gonna pull tight so that a knot is formed. Keep pulling the top end of the rope till you see the knot going under the rope that we just tied so that it's not visible. Leave these wires here for now and we can chop them off at the end. Now, taking the 2 adjacent cords with the wire in the middle, let's make a square knot. For this, place the left cord over the middle wire and under the right cord. Now, take the right cord and place it under the middle wire and over the left cord. Pull tight and secure the knot at about 30 centimeters distance from the top. Now repeat the same process, but this time we are going to start with the right cord, which will go over the middle cord and under the left cord. Then the left cord will go under the middle cord and over the right cord. Pull both ends of the cord to secure the square knot properly. Add 1 bead to the middle cord and then repeat the same square knot one more time so that the bead is well secured. At a distance of another 30 centimeters from the square knot, tie a simple knot and repeat this for all the cords. For the next knot, we'll take alternate ropes and tie a knot at about 10 centimeters. Again, at a distance of about 15 centimeters, we're going to hold all the ropes together and tie a big knot. To secure this knot, pull each strand or cord of this rope individually so that the knot is really tight and secure. Untangle the end of the cords and chop off any excess wires, and we're done. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this DIY comes in useful to you, and I hope that you create it for yourself as well. Let me know in the comment section down below how it turns out for you. And if you like this video, please give me a like, share it with your friends, families, everyone, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time very soon. Till then, bye bye.